Hello friends, welcome to RR Digital. So in our previous session we discussed about how to import data from RDBMS to HDFS with the primary key concept. In today's session we'll discuss if table doesn't contain any primary key, then how to import data from RDBMS to HDFS. So if table doesn't contain primary key, then we have two options to import data. First option, we have to use whether split by, or second option we have to use a mappers. Okay, so we'll see how to import data. So here I have department table. So this department table doesn't contain any primary key. Okay, so select from DEPT. I have two records. So how to import these two records from RDBMS to HDFS. Okay, so here I'm writing Sqoop query. Sqoop import hyphen connect ADBC MySQL, then IP address of the database. So you can give IP address or alias name, and then which database related table you want to import. So retail underscore DB related, and then to connect RDBMS we have to give username. So hyphen username. So username root hyphen password Cloudera. Okay, then which table related data you want to import? Hyphen table DEPT. Then here hyphen fields hyphen terminated by. So each column separated by which symbol? Okay, pipe symbol. Okay. So end of the query we have to specify whether split by or mappers. Then only your data will import, because this particular DEPT table doesn't contain primary key. Okay, if table doesn't contain primary key, then compulsory we have to use whether split by or mappers. Okay, so first we'll use split by. So hyphen split by. So based on which column you want to import data. Okay, so here I am specifying based on department number. Okay, so successfully retrieved two records. Okay, so we'll cross verify whether data imported to RDBMS to HDFS or not. Okay, so Hadoop FS hyphen cat user Cloudera DEPT slash part star. Okay, so successfully imported data. Okay, so using the first option we tried how to import data. Now we'll try second option, how to apply mappers. Okay, so any option we can use. So we'll try second option. So again I'm removing the department table related data from HDFS. Okay, so now again in our Sqoop query we'll apply second option. Okay, so hyphen m then space one, number of mappers one I am specifying. Okay? So whether we have to use split by or else we have to use m1. Okay, so two records imported successfully. Now we'll cross verify data imported or not. Okay, so successfully imported data. So this is about how to import data from RDBMS to HDFS if table doesn't contain a primary key. So now even we can apply specific columns related data how to import, or you can apply based on where condition how to import a data also. Okay, so here same query, maybe I will apply condition hyphen where department number greater than 10. So only department number greater than 10 related records only you can import from RDBMS to HDFS. Okay, so here we'll cross verify. So department number greater than 10 means RDBMS side only one record is there more than department number 10 related. So here also it is showing one. So successfully imported data based on condition. Now how to import specific column related data. Okay, so I have department number and a department name, but I want to import only department number related data. Okay, then here we have to use hyphen columns. Okay, so two records imported, but we'll cross verify only department number related data imported or department name related also imported. Okay, so only department number related data imported. Thanks for watching this session. Bye friends.